5 ways to reduce math anxiety in the classroom. What may be the best ways to reduce math anxiety in the classroom? In this video, we discuss the main reasons that can cause anxiety, including mistakes with understanding math concepts, the relationship between teachers and math anxiety, along with the relationship between students and math anxiety. A guide on how math teachers and students can work together to build math confidence is available for download at the end of this video. Links in the description below. Recognizing math anxiety. The effects math anxiety can have on students can lead them to believe that math is a hard subject and not worth their time. Keep watching to see how we look at ways teachers and students can work to overcome math anxiety in the classroom. Math anxiety and mistakes in learning. Why do mistakes in the math classroom lead to anxiety in students? The stigma of not being able to answer questions in math may begin to convince students that they are not smart. How can math teachers lower math anxiety? Both teachers and students play an important role in the learning process. Here are some essential ways teachers and students can make learning easier for everyone. Number 1. Create a safe learning environment. Teachers can engage students more when they help them recognize their previous knowledge about a subject. By doing this, teachers allow students to become more confident in their abilities. Number 2. Introduce a positive attitude-only policy. If students feel like the teacher is not really connected with how they learn, they may withdraw from participating. If the teacher is enthusiastic about sharing what they know, building shared experiences with math, and allowing students to share in the ways ideas are presented, then teachers will greatly influence the students in wanting to learn more. Number 3. Acknowledge that word choice is key. Teachers need not dismiss that student with a negative attitude as an uncaring student and move on to the other students. Instead, teachers should focus on that student as the one that is waiting to be reassured that they actually know more than what they think they do. Number 4. Recognize mistakes are opportunities to learn. Students should not be made to feel incompetent when they make a mistake with their answers. Instead, they should be guided by the teacher or other students in figuring out where they went wrong. Number 5. Teacher enthusiasm equals students' confidence. When teachers project their enthusiasm for answering math questions, students will then feel confident in their abilities to answer the questions themselves. It is important to recognize the values of emotions when it comes to learning, especially in the math classroom, where the pressure to always find the right answers may be hard for some students. When teachers work together with students to use their emotions as a starting point, then the focus can shift to previous knowledge gained. Why is it important to focus on previous knowledge? First, it builds more positive emotions, and second, it helps build further knowledge. Click on the free download below to get an additional guide to math building confidence. Leave us a comment below and let us know whether you agree that mistakes are a good learning opportunity in math. Check out our other videos in our Everything Math related series where we look at important topics in bringing the love of math to the classroom. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.